Stem cells have the potential to help with hair growth by regenerating and repairing damaged hair follicles. They can differentiate into specialized cells that promote hair growth, such as dermal papilla cells or keratinocytes. By injecting or applying these stem cells to the scalp, they can stimulate hair follicle regeneration and improve blood circulation, creating a favorable environment for hair growth. Stem cells can also release growth factors and cytokines that promote hair follicle development and prolong the hair growth phase. Additionally, stem cells may be used in combination with growth factors or platelet-rich plasma, PRP, to enhance their effects on hair growth. Stem cell therapy for hair growth is still under research, but it holds promise as a potential solution for hair loss and thinning.